jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. Welcome back to another video on my channel. We are going back to doing affordable holiday gift sets. I got this one at CVS. It is the LA Colors Mini Lippies Nude Lip Collection. We also had a rose version, but you guys know I love my nudes. So you get 5 mini lipsticks for $5. So you're basically paying $1 per lipstick, plus you get a keepsake tin box that it comes in. So this is what the Lippies look like. And here's the tin on the back. It's just nice and sleek and black, just says LA Colors. Definitely can use this to like hold some brushes in, or some eyeliners and lip liners, stuff like that. So I am very appreciative that, but I'm not a fan of the packaging. Like here, like look at how it looks cheap and chintzy to me. I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's $4.99, what do I expect? But here we go. I, of course, am gonna lip swatch all of these on my lips and let you know what I think at the end, if it's worth the price or not. I don't think these have names, no, so that already peeves me off, but it's the product. And these aren't matte lipsticks, these are just regular old lipsticks. So let's try them on. The free concert that nobody asked for. Okay, so final verdict. Really like the formula on these. They smell really, really nice. I do wish they were a little bit bigger, but if you're like somebody who likes to travel and you love makeup and you want to put minimal stuff in your like travel bags, many things like this is perfect. Is it worth $5? I personally think so, yes. They do not dry down matte. They are more glossy than anything. But do I think it's worth $4.99? Plus you get this cute little tin that you can do whatever you want with. Yes, absolutely it is worth it. I would give this 4 Wicked Little Devils. I'd like them to have names. I personally would like them to be a little bit bigger, but I can definitely get my uses out of most of these. I really didn't like this one, the 4th one. or the third one. These two I'm not a huge fan of, but these three I really am. So that is, I know this was a pretty short video, but that is everything. So yes, I would give this overall 4 wicked little devils. So if you like these videos and you like this series, make sure to give me a big ol' thumbs up, and don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are, and I always have at least one free monthly giveaway. This month, I'm doing 3 giveaways, including a massive one sponsored by Always May. So I will have those videos linked down below and up in the cards as always. Okay, guys, I will talk to you very, very soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones who, along with me, just can't adult today or any day for that matter. Stay wicked.